Hi everyone, so today I'm going to tell you a perfect recipe for a lazy Sunday afternoon. My Sundays are super lazy because I tend to sleep in a little late, and this recipe that I'm going to tell you about is basically you can make something out of the leftovers that you have from the previous days. Just a bunch of veggies and some rice. Yes, I'm talking about egg fried rice. So let's get on with the recipe. I've already heated my pan here. Gonna take some oil. Spread it on it. We'll let it heat a bit. I've got a few eggs here. Just crack them open. Just add a little bit of salt. Just put a little bit of pepper on top as well. And now just mix it. You're basically making a scramble out of it. There, we're almost done. Just make sure it's evenly cooked, because this will go on the rice. So our egg scramble is ready. Let's just keep this aside. Moving on to the rice now. Heat a little bit of oil. Not a lot, just a bit. So our kadhai and our oil is hot. We'll go ahead and add some onions. Saute your onion, make sure it's a little translucent. You can see how the onion is getting cooked. It's getting a little soft. After that, I'm going to add a little bit of green chilies. Not a lot, I'm not a big spice fan. But again, this can be according to your taste. Make it your recipe. Right, now that my onion is translucent and the green chilies are mixed well, I'll go ahead and add my carrots. See that burst of color? Egg fried rice is something where you can add a bunch of veggies. Again, these are the veggies of my preferences. Go ahead and go crazy with yours. It's all coming together really well. Now I'll go ahead and I'll add my capsicum. Now capsicum does not take a lot of time to cook, so that is why we add it towards the end. Now just so that it cooks evenly, what I'll do is I'll add a little bit of salt. So what that does is it releases the water. Give it a good mix. Go ahead and add a little bit of garlic. The smell, guys. Garlic is the magic actually. Now we'll go ahead and add a little bit of soy sauce. Not a lot, just a little. Now go ahead and give it a good mix. So I have my leftover rice over here. I'll go ahead and add it inside. Now remember, if you're making fresh rice, it's very important to air it out. Otherwise it becomes very mushy and it does not really mix well. See how it's coming together so well? So now my rice is already mixed well with the vegetables. Now I'll just go ahead and taste a little bit so that I know that my seasoning is alright. Little bit of more salt. There it is. Just give it a good mix. So my fried rice is ready. I'll go ahead and add the scrambled eggs in. Make sure I mix it well, so it's spread evenly all across the rice. Coming really well together and looks really colorful. So there you go, my perfect lazy Sunday afternoon recipe is ready to be served, and I'm sure you can feed a lot of hungry friends just by this. Super easy, no muss, no fuss. Enjoy, guys.